this is Lisa. Today I'm very happy to introduce the CW laser cleaning machine of HJZ LASER. Here is the CW laser cleaning machine 3 kilowatts. We have small cabinets for 2 kilowatts and 1.5 kilowatts. When you go to the CW laser cleaning machine, the 3 kilowatts is more recommended. If you want to clean steel structure, mainly rust, you want the super high speed, you can choose the CW laser cleaning machine 3 kilowatts. In the design of the machine, we can customize the appearance of the machine according to your requirements. In addition, we add the wheels to make the machine easy to move and operate.
Our cleaning machine system is designed independently and can support any single language in the world. The continuous cleaning machine can continuously output laser beams, which can achieve uniform cleaning of large areas, such as cleaning rusts on the surfaces of ships and buildings.